Namaskar friends, welcome to this video session. In today's video, we are going to learn or understand the analysis of RC series circuit with AC supply, and we are going to do this analysis with this simulation. So we will simulate, we'll change the values of resistance and capacitor, and then we'll see that what difference it makes into the current and voltage of the circuit. So let's begin our analysis. So first of all, this is the RC series circuit. How to prepare this RC series circuit? There is a separate video for that, and the link for that separate video is down in description box, and the title is how to prepare RC series circuit in Multisim. So now we'll start with the analysis part. First we'll run this simulation, stop it and observe the waveform. So the red waveform shows the supply voltage and the blue waveform represents the current flowing through this circuit, right? As you all are aware that the circuit, when the circuit is purely resistive circuit, the voltage and current are in phase, right? So what we'll do, we'll make change in resistance, we'll make resistance much larger with respect to capacitor, so it becomes almost resistive circuit. We'll run the simulation and observe what changes occurs. The magnitude of current reduces a lot, so we'll change the scale, right? So now you can see that with this scale you can observe that when the circuit is purely resistive, the voltage and current seems to be in phase, right? So it is true that when the circuit is purely resistive circuit, at that time voltage and current are in phase. So the phase difference between them is almost 0 or is equal to 0. In our circuit is almost 0, right? If we talk about capacitive circuit, right? Let me draw this thing. I have drawn the waveform of current when the circuit is purely resistive circuit. Now we will see when the circuit is purely capacitive circuit. So we are going to reduce the value of this resistance to almost 5 ohm. So now this circuit has become almost capacitive circuit, right? Now we'll run this simulation. We'll stop it and observe the simulation. We can see that current is shoot up, right? The magnitude of current has increased. And now just observe this waveform. The phase difference in initial condition, when the circuit was purely resistive, there were no phase difference between the voltage and current passing through this circuit, right? But now as this circuit has turned into the more capacitive and less resistive, so it's almost capacitive circuit, right? So if we observe the waveform in this circuit, let me draw the waveform of current. So this is the waveform of current. This blue waveform is the waveform of current when the circuit is purely capacitive. So let's just mention over here that this represents when the circuit is purely capacitive, and this represents the current when the circuit is purely resistive, right? Now let me draw the waveform of voltage. So just observe that when the circuit is purely resistive, then the waveform of voltage and current, they both are in phase. But when the circuit is purely capacitive, the magnitude of voltage remains same in both the case. At that time, current starts leading, and it leads by 90 degree. So with this we can make some conclusions, but before making some conclusions and finalizing our analysis, right, let's just write over here that it's almost 90 degree. So before making conclusions, let us make some more change to this circuit, that when the circuit is purely capacitive, it leads by 90 degree. It comes, the waveform of current leads waveform of voltage by 90 degree, and when it is pure resistive, they both are in phase. Now what we are going to do, now we are going to change the magnitude of resistance in moderate manner, somewhere when we can feel the effect of resistance and capacitor, right? So now we'll run this simulation again, we'll stop this thing, right, and we'll draw the new waveform of current. So now we will analyze. See, the black waveform represents when the resistance, the circuit is purely resistive, blue when the circuit is purely capacitive, and this represents when the circuit is resistive and capacitive both. So from this we can make some conclusions, that when the circuit is purely capacitive, then current leads by 90 degree. When the circuit is purely resistive, then voltage and current, they both are in same phase. But when the circuit is RC type, then current will be in between, current will be in leading to the voltage, but it is in between 90 degree and 0 degree. And the degree of currents leading, it depends on the value of R and C. When the circuit is more resistive than capacitive, then the leading of current is nearer to 0. But when the circuit is more capacitive and less resistive, then current leads voltage and the leading angle is towards 90 degree. If the circuit is purely resistive, when I am keeping all the parameters same, and if the circuit is purely resistive, then the magnitude of current, we are talking about magnitude now. This was about angle phi, now it's about magnitude. So when the circuit is purely resistive, current's magnitude is minimum with the same apply voltage, right? But when the circuit is capacitive, the current's magnitude increases, and this we have seen in this circuit, and this is because we are ultimately reducing the resistance. So this happens, it's this logic is just because we are reducing the value of resistance. So this is not the major concern, but this is a major concern and major thing to understand the RC analysis. So this is how, when we make changes in values of resistance and capacitance, how the leading of waveform or leading of current from voltage will takes place. So gradually, if you move from resistive to capacitive, you leads from 0 degree to 90 degree. So that's all from this RC analysis. This is very simple and fundamental RC analysis. So that's all from the RC analysis. If you want to understand this RC analysis through mathematical equations, I have prepared a separate video for that. You can go there and watch that video, and in that video I have explained everything in mathematical expression form. In next session we are going to learn how to prepare RLC circuit, and then we will analyze RLC series circuit. So bye bye from this video.